Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create a custom export format. In this custom export format you can save and use in other projects. So what I've done is I've shot a whole bunch of points over the course of a day while I was doing a test, and what I want to do is I want to export some additional information that is not normally available from one of the pre-existing export formats. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to head to the plumb bob in the bottom left corner here. That's going to open up my main menu where I'm going to want to select Import Export and then Points/Observations, and then I'm going to go ASCII coordinate export. And instead of using my default format here, my standard output format, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select New Format here at the bottom. That's going to open up my new format option, and what I can do is I can add additional fields. So I'm going to add a point ID field, and every time I select a different field, it's going to add a new field for me to add. So I'm going to add my point ID, northing, easting, elevation here, as well as some additional fields, including, let's see here, what else is here? I'm going to add my latitude, my longitude, and my ellipsoidal height here that all get pulled from my GPS. And then my field 8 here, let me choose something a little bit different. I can add my errors here. So I'll add my RMS elevation, as that's what I was testing for in this test here. I'm going to keep scrolling down here and see what else I can add. And from my list here, I'm going to select my GPS store time, and I'm going to hit save. Obviously here, I'm going to need to add a name, as you can see here. So I'm just going to close this message, and I'm going to add the format name of extra data export. And you're going to see here my output format automatically becomes that extra data export option. And what I can do is if you click on that drop down, you can select between any of the custom export formats you did or any of the other output formats. And I'm going to hit OK here. And that's going to open up my export ASCII file window here, where I'm going to give it the title of just test for now. And then I'm going to hit save, and it's going to tell me that all of my points were successfully exported from FieldGenius. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you use MicroSurvey's FieldGenius to get additional data out of the program by creating a custom export format. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.